How to change your Gmail name. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the name that appears on your Gmail emails. Whether you're updating your professional name or just want something new, it's super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. From the menu, select Manage Your Google Account. Now, you'll be in your Google account settings. From here, go to the Personal Info tab. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and tap on Name. A new window will pop up. This is where you can enter your new name. After entering your new name, tap Save to confirm the changes. Gmail will update your display name across all emails. To make sure it worked, send a test email to yourself or a friend and check if your new name appears. Now you know how to change your Gmail display name in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more Gmail tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.